Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing my Pholourie recipe. You do not want to miss this one. These Pholourie are fluffy on the inside and crispy on the outside, so stick around. Here are the ingredients: salt, baking powder, turmeric, brown sugar, yeast, green seasoning, warm water, and flour. You can find the full recipe in the description below. Add the turmeric, salt, baking powder, sugar, and yeast to the flour. Give it a good mix to ensure everything is evenly distributed. Add the green seasoning. You can find the link in the description below on how to make green seasoning if you have not made this before. Add the warm water, mixing and squeezing the flour mixture. As you do this, the texture will start to change. Here you can see it's dropping in a clump. So continue mixing until it can easily drop or slide out of your hands. So mix and squeeze. And now you can see it's a lot more loose and sliding out of my hands, and you know it's ready at this point. Cover the mixture with cling film and a cloth and allow it to rest for 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. This is an important step, guys, if you want light, fluffy Pholourie. Here it is after 1 hour. It has doubled and it is very light and airy. Allow the oil to heat up on medium-low heat and gently spoon a small amount of the mixture at a time to the oil. You can use 2 spoons, an ice cream scoop, or anything you fancy to scoop out the mixture. For me, I just use the 2 spoons, and I don't like giant size Pholourie, so I scoop up about half tablespoon of the mixture to fry. You will notice that they do puff up as well. Turn the Pholourie to ensure a nice even color all around. I like my Pholourie bright yellow, as you can see. If you don't fancy though, then reduce the amount of turmeric at the very start of preparation. Fry the Pholourie for about 3 to 4 minutes. For me, after 3 minutes, it was cooked. After 4 minutes, it developed a crispy exterior, which I like. So I fried for 4 minutes. You can test one to ensure you get your perfectly fried Pholourie. Have your paper towels ready to drain and set them aside. Check it out. This is the last batch frying. These are going to be eaten out in no time. Now it's that time to try one of these delicious Pholourie. very fluffy on the inside and have a nice crisp on the outside. You have to try this one, guys. It's absolutely lovely. Hey guys, thanks for joining me in my kitchen today. If you enjoyed, please do give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. See you in my next video. Bye!